Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I transformed this photo from this to this. And if you want to know how I got this look, keep watching. So I use the Adobe Lightroom app for this color grading, and you can download the app from Google Play Store, or if you're an iOS user, you can download from the Apple Store. Now you're going to begin by launching the app, and if you can see on the left side of the screen, there are media options on there. And now you can go straight ahead to upload your photo from the camera roll or files to begin the editing. So if you take a look at the right side of the screen, you'll see command icons which you can use to make the adjustments to the photo and to get the look that you want to achieve. For this photo, I will be making changes by going straight to the auto icon to make automatic enhancements to the photo. What happens here is that the AI suggests adjustments, and you can already see the difference on here. Right after that, I'm heading over to the light adjustment icon to tweak the lighting to suit the mood of the photo. First, I'm clicking the curve icon and dragging it a little lower. Next, I'm heading over to the temperature icon to make adjustments to the colors. Now, I'm going to focus on the major colors of the image, which is the blue sky and the green leaves, and a little bit of the yellows. So first, I'm dragging the yellow saturation a little bit, and after that, I am going to be adjusting the green saturation all the way up to 100. This will give more life to the palm trees and give it a little bit of vibrancy. Next, I am repeating the process for the cyan saturation and taking it up to 100 as well. Now for the violet, I'm repeating the process, but this time I'm taking the saturation up to 76 because I need the photo to have a realistic look. To add a little bit of definition to my photo, I will be taking the sharpness level to level 5. And for the texture, I am going to be adjusting it to level 4. Heading over to the clarity level, I'm taking that to level 2. When done, click the check icon to complete your work. And be sure to click this icon to export your photo to camera roll. Here's a before and after to see the difference. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos.